Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Polkadot. This coin is actually looking pretty decent from the outside looking in. From the bird's eye view, we can kind of see a nice little pattern here forming where we're planning or soon to potentially break through this key level resistance. So we're going to see if that is essentially the case and just generally speaking, what's happening next here with this coin. So if you're new to the channel, know if just so you know, not a financial advisor. I love to teach people to trade. I hope you can learn something here today. If you do want to become a better trader, keep in mind you can become a better trader by attending my trading university, but also, of course, joining in on the signals here. We took some nice healthy profits from a Bitcoin trade we took a few days ago, 27% in 5 days, little 10x leverage trade there. Solana 41% rather in 5 days. That was a 5x leverage trade, so nice, safe, effective profits. You can see the same thing in our Premium Plus group too. We got some nice day trades. Cardano, Litecoin, BNB, Matic. There's a good handful of good trades here going on there as well. Some of those being held a little bit longer than they should just because those are designed as day trades, so you want to get in and out of the market. But once more, that's a trading bot. It kind of holds the trades open until a new one's sent anyway, so try not to overthink that. But future reference, if you are part of my community, be sure to read through my signals guide so you know exactly how these trades are supposed to be taken. There's a specific way that you need to treat them, and of course day trades are much different than swing trades. Please know that. So with the daily time frame here, actually beforehand, let's go ahead and look at the 1 month. This is the 1 month for Polkadot, and this is the liquidation level. So 6.5 heavy concentration. We've got some upper levels of liquidity at $7 even that just got swept, and we got a lot between 7.5 and 8. Okay, so the same thing could be said with 6.5 to 6, but generally speaking, we're kind of right in the middle of that big range. Okay, now this is the monthly. Keep in mind that's the monthly. You can kind of see a little bit more interest of where people are hedged, either both long or short on the smaller time frames here, and this is effectively the 7 day. We can see a lot of shorts got wrecked at about 7.05. So 7.2 is another level there. We got a little bit down below, but generally speaking, not a ton of liquidation, but there's we're still again likely to continue upwards here at this point based on what we can see there. So again, that level here, 7.04, 7.05, that was the most recent high. Candlestick close effectively on the daily. So we can kind of see that's a point of contention, an important level. So closing above 7.02 today, that's going to be a pretty solid situation for us here for this coin. So let's talk about that. So first of all, there is some liquidity here down about $6 even. We talked about that just a moment ago. You can see that it's roughly 15% away. So hypothetically, the price pulls back. That could be the next area of focus. Again, that 6 to 650 mark. Take a look here at the moving average convergence divergence. Still converging, looking good there. 50 on the RSI, perfect. Not a lot of coins can say this. So if, again, we closed at about $7 or higher today, we should be in really good shape to be able to see this coin continue. RSI, plenty of room for growth. MFI, very high. Stochastic RSI swinging upwards for the second time. That's a perfect case scenario if you ask me. I love to see it when that happens. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame here. Is it similar here? Well, we're up over 50 on the RSI. A lot of coins are just barely breaking above. We are at 70 for the money flow index. MFI still highest. Second stochastic swing there as well. And we got our MACD converging here too. So this coin's looking pretty sweet. I really like what I see here so far. Keep in mind Bitcoin is at that 45.5 mark. So there's a decent chance this coin could pull back, but I don't think it's going to be substantial. This does look pretty solid here, this continuation. We're up over the 200-day SMA as well on the 4-hour time frame. That's a very huge indicator. And we've been maintaining above that level for about 12 hours. So that's really positive. If we take a quick look at TD sequential, we can note that we are at an 8. So pullback is possible. Doesn't mean it's going to exactly yank back, but it does have a tendency of hitting 9s and reversing itself. Okay. So that being said, if you get in now, hypothetically, maybe you consider a second entry at the most recent fib at about 684. Okay, something like that. But that's generally what we're looking at there. Definitely looking pretty solid here so far. Hourly, we're not overextended. We have this nice little pattern here forming as well. Typical breakout type of pattern there. That's a fantastic sign. When we take a look at the Ichimoku cloud, we can confirm that we're above all moving averages here. Lagging spans, free and clear conversion lines right there at the baseline, which is actually just fine. And again, the cloud is consolidating itself between 685 and the $7 mark. So these are pretty much all positive contributing factors. If we look at our CC Golden Indicator, we do also have 2 buy signs here recently with a previous sell target there, roughly at about 690. Okay, so sell, buy, that's essentially how it works. Okay, so good stuff there, folks. This is definitely looking pretty prime for the pumps here. So I do think DOT is looking pretty solid here. I think that there's a good chance it will continue. So this one has my thumbs up on a long position. Do not consider shorting this coin at the moment. You got to recognize if you do end up taking a long position, if Bitcoin does sell off pretty hard and substantially, then this coin will follow suit. Okay, please understand that. But the likelihood of Bitcoin doing so right now seems pretty low considering how much volume is flowing into the coin. Bitcoin is looking very strong. So I would not bet against Bitcoin at this moment. And I would consider more so a long position with this coin versus others. This definitely seems pretty nice. All right, folks, that's all we got here for today. Last thing too as well, very last thing. Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. Make sure you recommend, or I recommend you use them. Make sure you use them. Link down below. No KYC or VPN required. Awesome benefits if you use my link to register. And we're going to have trading competitions at the end of the month once they start adding more trading pairs. So this is looking very, very good here for us, folks. Great stuff there. Thanks again, Bitunix, for the awesome opportunity. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.